I'm over here, my boy Brandon right here. It is 2JZ, 3rd gen Supra, right?
Yeah.
So I never felt no inline 6 JDM turbo car. So I'm about to see what's up. I feel like this thing might change my whole fucking world right now. We're about to find out. See how it goes. That already sounds crazy as hell. All good over there. God damn. Holy shit. That's crazy right there. That's crazy, man. That's dope. That's dope. That's nasty, man. That's nasty right there.
You smell a little bit of clutch there.
Yeah,
it's about time.
Smell a little bit. God damn, I think that's something else, man. What gear you go up to?
That was going to 3rd.
3rd, and you got 5 gears in it though?
Yeah.
God damn, this thing will fucking fly. That's insane. What kind of blow off valve is it?
Turbo Smart.
That thing sounds nice, man. I think just hits the red line and just keeps going, man. That thing's nasty. Take your time, dog. There you go, let's go.
I need to get some bigger tires, like I said, the clutch and everything else.
Once you get all that, shit.
It'll be around 500 or so.
That'll be a monster right there, man. Right now, that's something else. And you used to have the 7M GTE in here?
No, I bought it with the 2J, but the parts car had a 7M in it.
Oh, hell yeah. You got a pretty good deal on there or what?
Yeah, I paid $4,800 for it. It's the non-VVTi 2J.
But for a 2J already running and shit? That's dope right there,
because they go for, the 2J and the non-VVTIs go for around $2,500, and then you got the R154, they're $800 to $1,000.
So you got a pretty good deal then. And you're having fun with this shit right now, so hell yeah. It's all good.
I'm happy with it.
Damn, this thing got sideways and everything a little. That's crazy, man. That is nasty. Oh my god. Hell no, that thing started going side to side a little bit. I was like, oh shit. I knew you got it and everything, but I never felt just straight up the power do that shit. That's crazy right there, man. That's so dope. This Camaro does not want it though. I think I know that guy too, to be honest. He broke loose. That thing was that was nasty.
What do you think, Marco?
I like it a lot. I see why Roman talks crazy about it. He said he got 245s in the back and it stays breaking loose. That thing is so nasty. How much do these weigh?
3,600 pounds.
So it's got a bit of weight, but that thing was still moving. That's
why
crazy,
I got the
man.
seats. The seats knocked off like 85 pounds because there's a bunch of fucking.
Got the sparkle with the gangster lean.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, though, man. That thing is dope.
It is there. Just that little turbo.
A little precision.
Yeah. And then Turbo Smart. Blow off.
Now we're in the process of banging out that trans tunnel right there. But we about to go get some Little Caesars. Take a ride in the Alex's 240 with that S14 SR. DOC's favorite part.
Yeah, I'm not gonna see nothing with the eBay too, but you could have saved $900.
DOC already got the 1J in this hoe.
Yeah, they can mess it all up.
They hit it first try.
Look, my oil filter has
Ow.
oh shit.
And he's over here hitting me in the head with this shit.
The oil filter has
Looking real good, man.
Hey, it's got an anti-skid thing right here. You gotta get rid of that.
Was when it was automatic.
It's
Some of that 93 Shell V-Power. Out here chilling. Shout out to Roman, man, aka DOC. Putting in work with that 1JZ. Him and Alex over there. Killing it, man. That 1JZ's gonna be a beast. Everyone's gotta watch out for it, man. It's on the come up. Y'all already know it's true, man. Can't deny that. New video coming soon, man. I'll catch all y'all later.